गुरवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकावैस्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। बद्धे वितनुते भक्तिं मूर्खमावर्तय श्रुतिं यत्कृपात्वमहं वन्दे श्री मदन गोपालकं प्रभुं। जय गौर, जय निताय। विलाप कुसुमांजलि। रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी रति मंजरी तुलसी मंजरी explaining their mood. And in that mood, Tulasi Manjari says in Viraha, separation of a Swamini Srimati Radharani. Actually, there is no Viraha. By the heart, by the mind, all the Manjaris, they are always together with Srimati Radharani. By mind and heart, they are always serving Srimati Radharani. When they are sleeping, that time also they are thinking about this, about service. Externally, they are serving Srimati Radharani. When they are sleeping, in the dreams also they are serving Srimati Radharani. All their activities connected. So it is the high stage of Manjari Bhava. Normally Manjaris, they are never feeling viraha, separation from their Swamini. But when Rati Manjari, Tulasi Manjari, she appeared in this Kali Yuga to teach us, and at the same time, when her mood, his mood, of Raghunath Das Goswami, it is uncontrolled. At the ending part of his life, so it's merged. That time he is not Raghunath Das Goswami. Maybe externally he is Raghunath Das Goswami, but actually there was Rati Manjari, Tulasi Manjari. Two-way. With the mood of sadhaka, as a mood of sadhaka, Raghunath Das Goswami, he teaches us how to prepare. We know his life, read from different granthas, that how much sacrifice was in his life. How much sacrifice? Not to attach with this material life, not to attach with this material stuffs, food, clothes, and other everything. So everything he rejects. By the rejection, he was on the top position as a sadhaka. So it is also a great lesson for us how to develop such mood. In our bhajan, in our sadhana, how to develop such mood. For that, we have to follow his footprints. And as Manjari, how to serve Srimati Radharani. It is also a great lesson for us. Manjari must have such greedy mood for service. For one moment also, they cannot stay without any service. If Srimati Radharani, if there is no activities, if there is no service, maybe for some moments, so they are feeling separation. They are feeling maybe Srimati Radharani say rejects me. So that's why now I am without any service of Srimati Radharani. Same happened here. Raghunath Dasa Goswami, now he is in the form of sadhaka, not Manjari form. But when sadhaka he entered in Raganuga bhajan, before it is okay for them that by their meditation, by their smaran, Leela Smaran, when they will see the Leelas in their heart, through meditation, it was okay. It is okay for sadhaka when he is in sadhana bhakti, in practice stage. But when he enter in Raganuga stage, Sambandha stage, that time to time when it is developed, then he or she cannot stay without personal meeting. Then meditation is not enough for them. That time they cannot just see the Leelas. That time they want to engage themselves personally in the Leelas. Then Ishta will appear in front of them. In that way, she is saving the life of that sadhaka who started Raganuga bhajan. Anyhow, they have to engage. So that's why it is not so important that stage that they just continue their chanting Mahamantras, doing deity sevas, but they are doing all of that because they want to engage themselves personally in that seva. That is special mood of Manjari. They cannot stay without any service. Rati Manjari, when it appeared here in this Kali Yuga in the form of Raghunath Das Goswami, same thing happened with Raghunath Das Goswami. that mood, very special Manjari mood, who is very intimate of Srimati Radharani, that mood appeared. So it's intolerable for him to stay without any service. Then Viraha. Then he started to pray to Srimati Radharani. Now, Raghunath Das Goswami, in the mood of Tulasi Manjari, he is praying to his Guru, Guru Puja, but in a very beautiful way. Not like other normal puja, that I am offering flower to your lotus feet, that I am taking shelter to your lotus feet. Not in that way. In a very special way. Because Manjaris, they are known with service of Srimati Radharani. That is the speciality. Oh, Rati Manjari, she is very beautiful. No, it is not their quality. They are beautiful, it's very normal, natural. Oh, Rati Manjari, she is very intimate of Srimati Radharani. That is the special gun. Special quality. Mani Manjari, oh, Mani Manjari, she know very beautiful, garland. Special quality. That is not special quality. Oh, Mani Manjari, she can dress very beautiful. No. That is not the special quality of Manjari. They can decorate Srimati Radharani very well, qualities. They can decorate themselves. It is not their qualities. Their qualities connected with Srimati Radharani. So that is why sadhaka, when they are traveling on the path of Manjari Bhava Sadhana, in that time they are praying, their mind, their heart is praying always very beautifully. It is described there. In Prema Bhakti Chandrika, Sri Rupa Manjari Shar, Sri Rati Manjari Ar, Labanga Manjari Manjulali, Sri Rasa Manjari Sange, Kusturika Dirange, Premo Shiva Kore Kutuholi. Narottam Das Thakur as sadhaka. He is watching the Leela. He is watching the activities of Manjaris. So, he is describing that. All the Manjaris, Rati Manjari, Sri Rupa Manjari, Kasturika Manjari, Mani Manjari, Manjulali Manjari, Rasa Manjari, all there engage in their service with great love, with prema, not general love. It is prema, the high stage. It is the high stage. And with that mood, with that love for Srimati Radharani, they are engaged in their service. E shabo onuga hoiya premo sheba lobo chaiya ingite bujhibo shabo kaje রূপে গুণে ডগমগী সদা হব অনুরাগী বসতি করিব সখী মাঝে। Without any experience, without any taste, our mind, our heart is not engaged with anything. If it is good, yes, it's okay. I love it. And then I want. Sweet. First I have to taste. Then I love it. Then I develop my desire to have it. So first, Narottam Das Thakur, he followed. They are engaged in their service. All their moments, every moment of them is engaged with Srimati Radharani Seva, Jugal Seva. Then also they are not feeling any tiredness. They are not tired for that, but they are very happy. They are very happy with that service. That is their satisfaction of their life. That I am engaged with Srimati Radharani Seva. So it's everything for me. I have everything of my life. So with their service in that way, they are happy and they are engaged with great love, prema. So I followed. Narottam Das Thakur followed this first. Then he experienced, oh, with that great engagement, then also they are very happy. So that means there is something special. Otherwise, how they will be happy? Because they are always engaged. If I am always engaged with some duty, maybe it is not hard work, but when I engage always, maybe I am doing everything in one place, seated. Then also, after some time, after some hours, I'll feel tiredness. I'm tired, exhausted. It was not hard work. I was not running. I was not doing any hard work. Then also, I'm feeling I'm exhausted. But they are not. Manjaris, they are always engaged with the service, then also they are very happy, very satisfied. So how it's happening? Maybe something special is there. Desire start to grow. I have to know that speciality. I have to know that speciality, then I'll go to Manjari. I'll ask. I'll ask about that seva. How all of you are very satisfied, happy. I'm following that you are always engaged in some activities. Then also you are very happy and satisfied. How? How it's happening? Okay, then you have to engage yourself. Sometimes, listen for us sadhakas, sometimes by question will not get answer. Only by question will not get answer. To feel that answer, to get that answer, we have to engage ourselves with that activity. Like sadachara. We are following Sadachara. It is not so easy to follow Sadachara. It is not so easy to follow Sadachara. Tough. Then also we are following Sadachara. So the question, why? To get purity. Well, how that Sadachara, it will give me purity? How it will purify my heart and mind, my intelligence? Then there is no answer. We cannot see that. How it is doing, how it is happening, who is doing actually, we cannot see. But if we follow Sadachara, then we can feel it. So always, by questioning, we cannot get answer. How it is happening. In Manjari Seva also like this. Same way. How all the Manjaris, they are very satisfied. They are very happy with their service because all their moment is engaged with Srimati Radharani Seva. There is nothing in their mind, in their heart, in their intelligence, in their realizations, everywhere of Manjari, we can find Srimati Radharani is there. Why for Srimati Radharani? How? By Srimati Radharani. They are thinking, we are not doing this. Srimati Radharani is doing everything through us. So everything, when Srimati Radharani is doing everything, I am talking here, but you can hear from that box. Box is not speaking. Box is not talking. But you are listening all the lecture through that box. So Manjaris are saying that we are not doing this. Why you should feel tiredness? Because we are doing nothing. Everything Srimati Radharani is doing. But you are saying that I am doing this. It is not me. So how we will feel tiredness? When Srimati Radharani is doing everything? Develop that desire, lobha, start to develop. Then I'll pray, sadhaka will pray. Premo Shiva Lobochaya. I want to serve Srimati Radharani. I want to serve Srimati Radharani. We have to ask for that, for seva. Maybe last year we hear that about sadhaka activity. That means the intention of sadhaka. There is two, tadyata and madhyata. In tadyata mood, tadyata means, oh Krishna, I am yours. I am the puppet. And you are the controller. So whatever you will do, I'll do. Here, my mind is inactive. So when my mind is inactive, that means my external activity is also inactive. When sadhaka has tadiyata mood, he is surrendering everything to the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. He is saying, I am surrendering everything to the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Please make it silent. So normally we will say, oh, you are great. You surrendered everything to the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. You are great. How you can do that? But when one Rasik will say this, when one Rasik will know this, when I'll say this to one Rashika Jana, Rashika Bhakta, he will ask same question, how you can do that? Not how you will do it, how you can do that? Krishna has so many responsibilities. And then also you just offer all your responsibilities to Krishna. How you can do that? You are not allowed to do that. Rashika Jana. One Tadiyata Mai Bhakta, he is expressing his mood and seva to one Rashika Bhakta, Madhyata Mai Bhakta. Who is feeling Krishna is mine, so I have to accept all the responsibilities of Krishna. No one is there to take care of him. I have to do that. That is my duty. That is my responsibilities. To offer food to Krishna, to dress him, to sleep him. So that is my responsibility, is my duty. How I can disturb him with my problems, these material problems. The sadhaka mood is going in that way. I am surrendering everything. But rasika mood, that means the beginner stage of manjari. First, all the manjaris, when they are sadhaka, they are known as Rashika Jana Bhakta. They are Rasika Bhakta. They want to get taste of that love. The sweetness of Krishna and Srimati Radharani. The sweetness of their meeting, the sweetness of their service seva. Three kinds of mood are there from sadhaka. Sadhaka, one group, they want to get that sweetness from their seva, service. That is their satisfaction. Manjaris. Another group, that they want to taste that sweetness of their meeting. That is also manjari mood. Some manjaris, they love to see and taste that sweetness of their meeting. We can see so many examples that just think about Mani Manjari. Krishna, he says to Srimati Radharani, "O Radhe, you know, your Mani Manjari was there in the garden. So I wanted to do something because you know my nature. So I wanted to make some fun with her. So she was engaged to pluck the flowers. There was no one other. So I went to her. You know, Radhe, I tried in various ways. You know my ability about tricky words. Anyhow, I can manage the heart of girls by my sweet words. That is my specialty, very specialty. So, I went to her and I started to make some fun with all those tricky words, tricky way. But she was not responding anything. She was continuing her service. So at the end, I hold her hand. You know, it was a great shock for her. Suddenly, she turned to me and started to say, "Oh Krishna, how you can do that? You are here. Our Juteshwari is waiting for you there in Kunja." Radhe. Now what she said, she cleared their mood, why they are not really engaged with me. Their calculation is very clear. Mani Manjari said that, "Krishna, yes, I can see. Since long time you are trying to make some fun with me. You know, we are, all the Manjaris, we are not like other girls. We are very clear with our mind and heart. You know why we are engaged with Srimati Radharani, not with you? Before I said to Mani Manjari, I asked to her, "Hey Mani, you know, all the girls, they want to spend some time alone with me in a secret way, in a secret place. Most of the girls, they want to get some love from me. And all the girls, they love me. You have no love for me?" Then Mani Manjari said, "Krishna, yes, I have love for you. Then what's the problem? If you have love for me, then what's the problem? Why you are not responding?" Because I am very clear. Not only me, all the Manjaris are very clear. For what? You know, when you will touch Srimati Radharani, when you will embrace Srimati Radharani, when you will kiss Srimati Radharani, how much pleasures she will get. All the Manjaris wear, not only by heart, mind, with everything, we are connected with Srimati Radharani. But you know the surprising truth? How much pleasure she will get? We are getting, all the Manjaris is getting that same pleasure, but 100 times more than Srimati Radharani. So we are very clear about our calculation. Why we should get as little? Radharani is getting little pleasure, really little pleasure, but we are getting that 100 times more than Srimati Radharani. So please go to Srimati Radharani. Really I want to enjoy you, but please go to Srimati Radharani. the special mood. এ সব অনুগা হইয়া প্রেম সেবা লভ ছইয়া ইঙ্গিতে বুঝিব সব কাজে রূপে গুণে ডগমগি কবে হব অনুরাগী বসতি করিব সখী মাঝে. Sadhaka Bhakta, he is developing, he is growing that desire, that lobha in his heart. Narottam Das Thakur describing that truth to us. When all those desire will start to grow, that means sadhaka on the path of Raganuga Bhakti. So, what the desire? What will grow? First, to live with all the Sakhis and Manjaris. She will pray to Srimati Radharani, O Radhe, please accept me as a member of your big family. I want to be a very tiny part of your family, not other family. I have my family. I have my father, mother, I have my husband, but not that. They are not really my family. I realized my family is there. That is your family. What is your family? That is my family. So please accept me as a member of your big family. Whenever, please be merciful. Whenever I'll follow all the senior Manjaris, Sakhis, Lalita Sakhi, Vishakha Sakhi, Sri Rupa Manjari, Sri Ananga Manjari. When I'll start to follow their footprints, when I'll start to follow their instructions, advice, they will not say, they will not say directly, but they look at me sometimes. They will make some sign. For me, it will be instructions. Do it, do that. They will not say, but they will make some sign, ingita. They will show something. They will look at me. So in any way, they will know me, what to do. Rupe gune dogomugi soda hobo anuragi. Radhe, now my mind, my intelligence, sometimes it is roaming here and there. Not it is always engaged with your seva, with you. Sometimes my mind is really satisfied only to look at you. So that time I'll forget my seva. Maybe my Manjari, he said, okay, go to the garden and bring some flowers. Make very beautiful garland and offer it to Srimati Radharani. She will offer it to Krishna. So I was going to follow her instruction. And my path was just next to that Rahani Kunja. When I was passing that Rahani Kunja. So in my mind came, okay, what they are doing? I start to watch through the window that Gavaksha. And it was very beautiful, intimate moment of Shyama Sundar and Kisoriju. Very beautiful, very sweet. And you know, I was absorbed, totally absorbed, to see that beauty, that sweetness. And I forgot. It is clear, when the mind of Manjaris will be chanchal, it is also connected with Srimati Radharani. By ignoring some things, what they will do, that also will be connected with Srimati Radharani. Sadhaka, he is saying that I was advised, I was ordered to bring some flower from the garden. But I forgot that, completely forgot that. And I start to do another things. What that? I was watching their intimate meeting, that Leela. I was absorbed. So it is not external. It is also with Jugal, with Srimati Radharani. So here, Manjari, the Sadhaka Manjari, she is praying to Srimati Radharani, "O Radhe, please be merciful." Now my mind is little bit not steady, really. So make it steady. Sometimes my mind is not engaged with the service of you. Sometimes it is roaming here and there. So please make it steady for your service. Rupe gune dogomogi sada habonuragi. When I'll be steady for your service, that time I can feel my beauty. Then I'll feel that satisfaction. Rupe gune dogomogi. Then I'll feel my qualities. Then I'll be satisfied. Because the final destination of all Manjaris, what is that? To the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani, to the service of Srimati Radharani. If we'll ask to Manjaris, "Oh, you are not going to the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani?" No, I have no desire to always will be there with the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. So what do you want? I want to engage myself with service, seva, prema seva. Always I want to do service of Srimati Radharani to satisfy her. বৃন্দাবনে দুইজন চতুর্দিকে সখীগণ সময় বুঝিয়া রহে সুখে সখীরও ইঙ্গিতে হবে চামর ঢুলাব কবে তাম্বুল যোগাবে চাঁদ মুখে যুগল চরণ সেবী নিরন্তর এই ভাবি অনুরাগে থাকিব সদায় সাধনে ভাবিব যাহা সিদ্ধ দেহে পাব তাহা রাগ পথের এই সে উপায়. Narottam Das Thakur, he described the way how to engage in Raga Marga Bhakti. Ragatmika Bhakti, Raganuga Bhajan. How to engage? That all the Manjaris, that Sadhaka Manjari, he must know how to follow the instruction of Sakhis and senior Manjaris. The Manjaris, they must know how to satisfy Yugal Sarkar. The Manjaris, they must fill the heart of Sri Radha Govinda, what they want. Then, Narottam Das Thakur says, you know why you have to do that as a sadhaka? Because whatever you will want in your sadhaka swarup, you will get it in your siddha swarup. Sadhane bhavivo jaha siddho dehe paputaha. Yesterday I said, without experience, if we'll ask something, the answer will give us doubts, confusion. That's why, if something will get strange in my Siddha Swarup, then I'll be confused. That's why in my Sadhaka Swarup, we have to do everything. That meditation about sadhana, that meditation, how to do that. That's smarana about all the leelas. Why there is Gutika for us? Leelas is nitya. All the moments. There is not a single moment when there is no leela of Krishna. It's happening. Maybe not in this planet, maybe not in this universe, maybe it is in another universe. Somewhere it is going. Somewhere it is going Nishanta Lila, somewhere it is going Rasa Lila, somewhere it is going Pradosha Lila, somewhere it is going Noon Lila, noontime Lila, Nitya Lila. Every moment it is going. Then why Krishnadas Baba, Siddha Krishnadas Baba, he just described only one day. At the end of Gutika it is said, what I just described, it is only the one day Leela. Always it is happening not like that. It will change. But in that changing also you must know something basic. That's why that all the other knowledge, the data is there. What's about? When Srimati Radharani is where? Either she is in Varsana or Javat. From where Abhisar is starting? If I have to go to Surya Kund from Varsana, that is one route. If I have to go from Javat, that is another route. The route is not the same. Is not it? So my meditation, when Srimati Radharani is Varsana, she is starting her Avishar from Varsana, so I have to meditate that route of Varsana. Radharani is in Varsana and I am meditating about Javata route. Radharani will be confused. Because Radharani, she is following the Manjaris. Manjari is always guiding Srimati Radharani. She is starting from Varsana, but I am thinking the route of Javat, so Radharani will still in one place. Hey Manjari, how I can go there? Manjari confused Srimati Radharani in the Leela. That's why to know us, that truth, that data, Siddha Krishnadas Baba, he described the way of Leela. We should not do any mistake. Because when you will engage in the seva, maybe Radharan will engage you as a team leader to take this team to the Leela place. So you have to guide them, all the other groups, in proper direction. Otherwise, everyone will be confused. There will be some Leela. So just today, we are talking in my room. They are there, the boys. They asked me that what is the very special quality of sadhaka? What exactly we want, we need to do our bhajan? So which 3 points I said? Tell. The first is Vishwas, the faith, 100% faith on Guru. Then we have to be transparent that Guru will read to us. Guru can read our mind and heart. So when problem will come to us, if we lie to lawyer, the problem will come to us. If I have some court case and I engage one lawyer for my case in court, but I didn't clear the truth, the real truth to my lawyer, so the result will come. I'll fail in that court case. I'll lose my case. And the second person, to the doctor. 100% we must be transparent to the doctor. If I have some disease, if I have some problem, and if I'll hide it to doctor, so he will never treat me. He cannot. Why? Because I did not tell the truth to him. Actually, the problem is in another place, but I hid this to the doctor. Doctor will start his treatment in another way. I'll die. So Guru, in one hand, his lawyer for us to the court of Srimati Radharani, and in another hand, he is the doctor for our life. We must be transparent to him. What doctor will say, what lawyer will say to us, we have to tell that in the court. What doctor will say, we have to follow his advice. You should not take sugar, otherwise, I am not taking really white sugar, but I am taking jaggery. So what will happen? What will happen? He will never treat me. He cannot, because I am not following his words. So we must be transparent to Guru. And we must be patient. Dhairya. If we have no dhairya, then we will never engage ourselves to the service of Srimati Radharani as a Manjari, as a family member of Srimati Radharani. For that, we need these three: Vishwas, astha of Guru, and dharya, patience. So, if we want very quick everything, so what will happen to us? Some of us, we have some desire that only by first medicine my disease will go. Otherwise, the doctor is not good. If he cannot cure my disease, only one medicine, only one dose, that means doctor is not good. Is it okay? No. We must wait for medicine to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe after 10 medicine, the disease will go. So what will happen if in our bhajan path we are just running, not walking, running? We want very quick everything. What will happen? So I also explained some experience with them, to them. One of my god brother, disciple of my father. So, as a person, he is very good. As a person, he is very good. He is from Bangladesh. So, whenever I will go to Bangladesh, so he is coming. Before, 5 years before also, he used to come every year in Niyam Seva, in Radhakund. So he will come to meet me, and he used to try to say something. But without saying anything, everything he will say, but not that for what he came. So after many times, I realized he wanted to say something. So I asked to him, Dada, if you want to say something, please tell me. Then he said, yes, Dada. I have to say you some very important thing. What things? It's connected with my meditation. What that? You know, when I'll start my meditation, so all the time it is coming in my vision that Jugal, they are swinging Jhula. On the Jhula, then Krishna, he started to push that Jhula. Radharani alone there. Krishna was pushing that Jhula, and after some time, the Jhula broke. Srimati Radharani fall down on the ground, and she got great problem at the mid portion, and Krishna is messaging. I was really speechless. When he described this, I was really speechless. How? Then I asked to him, you really see this? Yes, Dada. You want that Srimati Radharani falling down from the Jhula and she'll get some problem? No, never. Then how it came to your meditation? How it came to your meditation? If you don't want to do what is happening, it's happening when we are running in our bhakti path. So many strange things will come, appear in front of us. So, not so hurry, not so quick. We have to wait. slowly it will come to us. So that time I started some point from Srimad Bhagavat, but it was not completed. In Srimad Bhagavata, in Damabandhan Lila, when Sukadeva Goswami, he was describing Damabandhan Lila, 10th canto, chapter 9. At the end of that Lila, Sukadeva said that, Parikshit, you know, Nayang Shukapa Bhagavan Dehinang Gopika Shuta Gyani Nanchatma Bhutanam Yatha Bhakti Matamiha. It is not easy to get Krishna in that way, how all the Braja Gopis, how all the Braja Parshada, they got Krishna. Nayam Shukhapa, not really easy. And you know, one lifetime is a very short time to get Krishna in his life, in your life. Maybe sometimes in this same life we can get, maybe after 100, maybe after 1,000 life. But when Sukadeva said, Nayang Shukhapa, Parikshit Maharaj started to dance. Everyone was surprised. Why Parikshit is dancing? Sukadeva asked, oh Parikshit, I said, maybe you did not hear. I said, not easy. Parikshit said, that is why I am dancing. You didn't say that it's impossible. That means maybe not this lifetime, maybe next, maybe after 100, maybe after 1,000, but one day I will attain Krishna. Maybe it will take time, but I will wait for that time. So that is why that it is not impossible, but not easy. So the sadhaka must be very patient. Otherwise, they cannot go to the proper direction. So crazy things will come to them. Like that. What I said. Huh? Yes. So many crazy things will come to us. So that's why here Narottam Das Thakur said that sadhane bhabibo jaha siddha dehe pavataha. Whatever will continue in our sadhaka swarup, in our meditation, in our desire, in our lobha, greed, everything will come to our siddha swarup. If it is okay, in siddha swarup also it will be okay. Very good. If our activity as a sadhaka is not proper, will never attain siddha swarup. Maybe by causeless mercy, Gurudev will show me. Maybe Gurudev to push me in my Raganuga bhajan path, she will give me my siddha swarup. Look, it is your siddha swarup. But you know, it will be always, if I am not on the proper direction, it will be always here, not here. Our bhajan must be from our heart, not from our intelligence, not by our buddhi. It must be by love. In Bilapa Kushmanjali, Rati Manjari, She's explaining all the secret and truths of Manjari Bhava. In Guru Rupa Manjari Shakhi Bandhana, she said something about Rupa Manjari. She found Rupa Manjari came to her. She was talking something with Tulasi Manjari, Rati Manjari, but Rati Manjari, she found some love bite on the leaf of Sri Rupa Manjari. So she asked to Rupa Manjari, they are friend. Maybe that is the difference between Sadhaka Swarup and Siddha Swarup. In Sadhaka Swarup, Guru is for me Bhagavan, Ishwar. But in Siddha Swarup, Guru is my elder sister, my friend, very intimate friend. Here, connection based on scripture. There is cause. Why like that? If Guru has no stick in his hand, then he will never control like monkeys like us. So Guru must have some stick in his hand. Then he can control the monkeys. Otherwise, here Radhakund monkeys are very very good. They are very gentle. But monkeys of Vrindavan, just think about them. They are really very special. I love they are naughty. So Guru must have stick, and that stick is scripture. By that stick of scripture, Guru is controlling the monkeys. And by that stick, he is changing us from monkey to human. Otherwise, always will be monkey. Still now I am monkey. I am trying to be a human, but maybe the stick is not so strong. So that's why in Sadhaka Swarup, the relation between, if it is easy, then we'll lose the dedication, we'll lose the path of bhakti, because we need that strictness, some pressure, some controlling every moment in our sadhaka swarup. We need this. But when sadhaka will engage in seva, that time she is prepared. That time the real relation will appear. Actually, Guru and disciple, they are very intimate friend. And we can see that truth in Siddhaswar. Otherwise, just think, maybe in Sadhakaswar, disciples see the love bite on the lips of Guru. If she can or he can ask, just think this. Oh Gurudev, please tell me from where this love bite came. Can you? Can I? Never. it is not possible for us. Because for us, Guru is Bhagavan, Guru is Krishna, Guru is Gauranga, Guru is Nityananda, Guru is everything. We cannot ask. But in Siddha Swarup, Sakhi Manjari, one Manjari can ask his Guru Manjari, ask her Guru Manjari, from where it came. And for that, both of them, they can make some fun. Rati Manjari, same way, Rati Manjari, she asked to her Guru Manjari, Tvam Rupa Manjari Shakhi, Hey Rupa Manjari Shakhi, Tvam Prathita Puresmin Pungsha Parasya Badanang Nahi Pasashiti, Bimbadhare Kshatam Anagata Vartikaya, Jatte Vyadhai Kimuta Chuka Pungavena. What's happened? Yes, Sakhi. We know you are very chaste in your life. You have dedication only for your husband. You never look different Purusha. You never love, never look at them. Always your dedication is for your husband. But I know he's not here. He's not here. Then from where that love bite came? By whom? Maybe you know the very special nature of Shuka Pakshi. Shuka Pakshi, they have some nature. If they will see some very red fruit, so they try to taste it. They are trying to taste it. So they will bite. Maybe some Shuka Pakshi, some Shuka bird, he found that leaves which is very red. Maybe he thought it's pomegranate. Maybe he loved to taste it. So, who is that Shuka Punga? Who is that Shuka Pakshi? Intention is Rati Manjari's intention was with Krishna? Because the Manjaris, if they will start to make fun about any Purusha, about any male form, that male form must be Krishna. Because for all the Manjaris, there is only male form who is very, very loving for them. He is Krishna, only Krishna. So here Rati Manjari is making fun with Rupa Manjari and ask her, who is that Shuka Pakshi? She asked, is Rati Manjari's intention was for Krishna? If she was asking for Krishna, that maybe Krishna, he did this? What is that? What is the secret about her question? What was her intention? It was for Krishna or for husband or for another? So Rupa Manjari, she was really speechless because she didn't know about that love bite. For her, it's appeared. It was not happened. Actually, it was appeared. But how? How it's happened? If no one do this with Rupa Manjari, then how that love bite appeared there on the lips of Rupa Manjari? Devotees. Rupa Manjari now speechless because she didn't know about that love bite. It's appeared. Rati Manjari asked, who is that Shuka Pakshi? If she is asking about Krishna or someone other, will know next morning, tomorrow. Why not? For disturbing? No, it's happened. Tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll know that. If Krishna did this, or it's happened in another way, Rati Manjari will explain this to us, not to Rupa Manjari. She knows everything, how it's happened. So she'll tell that truth to us. But tomorrow evening, tomorrow evening we'll know that. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.